Alright, we got a CSX train heading down the line. So we're at Depew Amtrak station for the action. Alright, symbol is CSX M367. The CSX M367 originates from Selkirk, New York, heads west to Chicago, Illinois, where it terminates at the clearing yard. And wait, we got a train here too. Look at that. Might catch this train, so we'll find out. So, on this Sunday, April 16, 2023, by Brendan the Railfanning on YouTube. Here comes the next video. Roll it. Alright, we got another CSX. That was a meet right there, so I don't even know what the symbol was, so we'll find out until we catch the train. Lily has a nice engineer, so we'll find out. I'm gonna go with this side because the train's gonna be in track because all these motherfucking auto racks, so. I gotta make sure I look at the locomotives and the auto racks so I don't get mistaken, so. Those fucking auto racks, dude. I think it's CSX like M218, I don't even know. Like, that train's gonna move fast as fuck. Trust me though. And there's a train, I heard. Alright, one engine off. CSX M626. I don't even know. I think either CSX M560 or M626. I think it's 626. Actually that was a short train, and symbol is CSX, I think M626. The CSX M626 originates from Buffalo, New York at the Frontier Yard, heads east to Selkirk, New York, where it terminates. On to the next video, roll it.